Glandular specialized epithelium. Specialized epithelial tissue are a class of epithelial tissues that have very specific and specialized functions and structures. Contain cells of the glands are secretory in nature. Zymogeny granules appears in the cytoplasm of secretory cells. A gland can be classified on the basis of presence and absence of ducts, number of cells, and shape of secretory units. What is a gland? The gland is a specialized cell, group of cells, or organ of endothelial origin that selectively removes materials from the blood, concentrates or alters them, and secretes them for further use in the body or for elimination from the body. Most glands are formed during development by proliferation of epithelial cells so that they project into the underlying connective tissue. It's classified number 1 according to the duct, number 2 according to the secretory part, number 3 according to the nature of secretion, number 4 according to the mode of secretion. Number 3 according to nature secretion. Can branch to number 1 mucus glands produce mucus pore in enzyme like goblet cells and minor salivary glands. Number 2 serous gland produce watery solution rich in enzymes like pancreas. Number 3 mucus serous gland produce both types secretions like submandibular glands. Sweat glands of skin produce watery secretion containing some enzymes and waste products. Oily glands secrete fatty secretions like sebaceous and tertiary glands. Waxy glands secrete waxy secretion, ceruminous glands of the external canal. Cellular glands produce cells like testes and ovaries. Number 4 according to method, mode of secretion. Can branch to number 1 exocrine glands have ducts and they secrete onto a surface. Example of exocrine gland and sebaceous and sweat glands in the skin, salivary glands, oral Brenner glands. So we have covered their basic structure and function in tissue types. And we have looked at several examples of exocrine gland in the other topics. Exocrine glands can be unicellular, goblet cells, or multicellular, and the basis of their classification was covered in the topic on epithelial. Exocrine can be classified dependent on the way that secretion is. Mecocrine glands or ecocrine is a term used to classify exocrine glands and their secretions in the study of histology. A cell is classified as merocrine if the secretions of that cell are excreted via exocytosis from secretory cells into an epithelial wall duct or ducts and then onto a bodily surface or into the lumen. The secretory cells are not destroyed during secretion, like salivary glands. Apocrine glands. The apocrine gland is the type of gland that is found in the skin, breast, eyelids, and ear. Apocrine glands in the breast secrete fat droplets into the breast milk, and those in the air help from air wax. Apocrine glands in the skin and eyelid are sweat glands. The apical part of the cell is destroyed during secretions like mammary glands.